To open application in the floating window mode on Poco F8 Ultra, first of all, you have to open all background apps. And you can do this by clicking here on this square icon with the 3 buttons navigation, or if you are using gestures, you will have to swipe from the bottom of the screen, hold, and you will get also this screen. Now select application that you want to open, click and hold it, and now just click on this icon. And now, as you can see, we can find this application as a floating app over here. When you click on these 3 dots, you can also move into the split screen. You can also make it full screen. So there's like a few options that you can use with this specific option. And here we can press and hold it, the action button, then swipe to close, like that. We can also, there we go. You can also try to bring this into the right bottom corner. Let's try if it works. If we drag it here, no, it's not working. If we try to put it here, it's also not working. So we can only use, I mean, there's no option to attach this into the back, I mean, into the right or left or the right edge. But let's try to open the another application, and let's check if we can actually use 2 apps. Looks like we actually cannot do that. Maybe let's try to do this with something different, like browser. Okay, so never mind. We can actually use 2 applications simultaneously in this floating window mode.